subscribe, like, click.
Oh! Let's try solving this equation. Please look forward to seeing what happens when you combine Sprunki Garnold and a scrubber. Friends, let's get started on today's project. I'll draw it in my sketchbook. Make a simple sketch to determine the shape and position. Draw Sprunki Garnold with a black pen. Slay! Write Sprunki with a thick pen. When you write with a thin white acrylic pen, the contrast between the white and black colors and thickness emphasizes the letters. Use a thin black pen to clean up the black border. Draw a red heart and engrave the words LimeTube. Try drawing and engraving whatever message you want with your friends. Let's color Garnold. Let's listen to Garnold's voice. Oh, it sounds like an electronic piano. It's so nice to listen to. Friends, if you enjoy watching the video, please like and subscribe. Please try making one yourself. Let's have fun coloring! Carefully fill in all the background colors. I'll write the letters in a darker color. I only taped the front side. Cut out the picture with scissors and set it aside. I prepared a urethane scrubber. I took out a scrubber. It feels rough and sturdy. Let's take a closer look at the scrubber. This urethane scrubber has large holes. I'm going to draw a circle with this glass cup. Draw a circle that matches the maximum bottom size. Now it's time to cut it with scissors. Cut along the sketch line. Now let's round off the corners. It is best to clean up immediately after cutting everything. Let's open this slime farm that is said to be sticky and chewy. The yellow color reminds me of mangoes and bananas. Friends, are there any other yellow fruits? If so, please leave a comment. Oops! Combine the cut sponge and slime farm. Press down firmly so that it fits snugly into the holes. It may not work well at first. Please press it repeatedly with your finger. Put it in a plastic bag. I'll remove the air from the scrubber. Press down firmly on the envelope so that the slime is absorbed well. I'll put a picture tag on the vinyl entrance. I attached double-sided tape in advance. Remove the paper and secure it in place. Please draw Garnold's face with black acrylic marker. Since it is painted on vinyl, it needs to be dried thoroughly over time. If you touch it before it dries, it could be a disaster. Create sparkling accents with white acrylic pens. Now let's play with the finished Garnold squishy. old squishy, which you'll want to press and touch over and over again. You won't be able to put it down. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like it. Stay tuned to see what we'll be making next.
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Hi, friends! Today's craft is about making space slime. It's not hard, so invite your friends to join in the fun. Let's go! I've got a flat notebook for you. I need a pencil to sketch. I'm going to make it the size of a bag for the slime. Please check the horizontal dimensions. I'll sketch the bottom side of the rectangle. The pencil sketch will only give you a rough idea of the location. Now take a black pen and draw a clear line. Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see Limey make for your friends. I'll use the eraser to clean up the pencil lines. I'll sketch the friends I'll meet in space with a pencil first. Send your favorite Sprunki friends into space. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? Once you're done with your quick sketch, you can send it to... What do you think, friends? It's not so hard to paint when you have a sketch, right? If you're stuck, try sketching first to get a frame of reference. If you have friends who have a hard time drawing, let us know what they have trouble with, and we'll make it easier for you. Garnold and Mr. Sun from Sprunki, and Orin and Owax and cute little Pinky. Aren't they adorable? Slay! I'll wipe the pencil lines clean. Now it's time to get colorful. Let's go! Fluorescent green. Purple. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Light blue. I'll fill the background color with a crisp, clear sky blue. Isn't the universe such a mysterious and curious place you'd like to visit at least once? Don't you want your friends to go too? White acrylic makeup accentuates the spelling for emphasis. Cute crescent moon, right? The winking, smiling globe is so cute. So cute! There's even a spaceship to get you to space fast. We even have satellites for communication. Fill the Garnold with a melon yellow color. He's Mr. Sun, who looks just like the sun. Yeah! It's a refreshing orange. Color it orange. I'll fill in the funny laggy oaks with green color. Pink Sprunki, the mascot of the adorable Spunky, is colored in vivid pink. I'll put some transparent tape on the paper to keep it from getting wet. Do the same on the backside with transparent tape. Press down firmly on the tape to make sure it adheres well. I'll cut out your drawings with scissors. It takes a lot of concentration to scissor small pictures. Do your friends have any facial expressions when scissoring? When I concentrate, I press my lips together and stick them out. I become a duck's mouth. I'm ready for the galaxy slime. Let's take a look at the galaxy slime. I'll have to take it out. Get out! Get out! Oh, galaxy slime is said to be very sticky. Can your friends see the sparkle? Touch, touch, touch. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Slime is fun to keep touching. Now let's put it all on vinyl. They even have starburst glitter. I'm going to put a picture in this transparent, glittery slime. Why do I think of transparent tanghuru? Ah, I want to eat. You don't want a lot of air in the plastic bag. I'll add some sparkly stars. Wow, super duper cute! Putting them in separately like this instead of all at once helps with positioning. Try Mr. Sun and OX at once this time. Press firmly to pop the air bubbles. I'll add a cute pinky with stars. I'll fill you up with some more slime. The plastic bag is tall, so I'll trim it down a bit. I'll fold the plastic bag and secure it with tape. Finally, give it a name and voila! What do you think, friends? Space slime isn't that hard to make, is it? Now we're going to play with some squishy slime. Let's take a closer look in slow motion. Oh, it's even shinier and prettier up close. This is how I made my space slime. How did you like it? Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned to see what I'll be making next. Bye!